Hi, I'm Karina, and in today's video, we are going to share with you some great at-home workout variations of both upper and lower body. So let's get to it. Hello, everybody. If you are new to us, welcome. Don't forget to like and subscribe. In today's video, you might see a little bit different of a format than we are used to in the Motivation Monday series. We have decided to use the tip that I typically put in the week's video as a separate video, simply because I don't want to be rushing through that. I try to make that as informational as possible. And so for those of you who are used to our format, you might see a little bit of a change this week. So the Motivational Monday series, we're going to try to stick to the workouts only, and that way I can talk to the camera a little bit more and just give you guys a little bit more insight, since I'm trying to go to a route of personal training, and I really want to just share and motivate other people to have at-home options and know that there's so many different variations and things that you can use to strengthen your body and really get good workouts in. So this week you're going to see a lot of workouts, and then I obviously am keeping up with my Bikram Yoga, give you guys any updates that we have, check in with you midweek, and then we will keep doing our meal prep. So don't forget to come back for that. And then of course we will always have a tip, but that's going to come out in a separate video. So let's show you what this week's workouts look like. What's up, guys? So like I said, there won't be a tip in this week's video because we are going to be transitioning to moving that in its own video so that they can be a little more thorough and it'll just be a little bit better that way. But I still wanted to do a midweek check-in. I hope you guys are doing amazing. I hope that your week is starting well, depending on when you're watching this video. But my week is actually going really successfully, and so I'm excited about that. I entered into a 21-day challenge because, as you guys know, my Spartan has been postponed to August. With that being said, I want to still be able to have something to work towards and something to be looking forward to. So I'm in a 21-day challenge and doing my darndest to not weigh myself. I have some friends who are doing like a no weigh May, and I just don't think I could fully commit to the entire month. But if I can get through 21 days, or at least only weigh myself once a week, which is still very different for me. I'm used to weighing myself every day. I think that that will be good. So I hope you guys are enjoying this week's workouts and the different varieties that we have for you. So let's finish out the week strong and share some weekend results with you on Saturday. Bye, guys. All right, guys, the week is over. It's Saturday. I came out to the gym just to chat with you guys. It's always a little loud in the house with the kids, but I hope you guys had an amazing week. Like I told you, I have started a 21-day challenge trying to really keep my nutrition on point because, as you guys know, the workouts have been. So this week I completed 5 hot yoga classes and 4 full week workouts. And so it was a total of 9 workouts. I did break down and weigh myself at the week mark, even though I was gonna try to hold out for the full 21 days. But I am happy to report that at the week mark this week, I lost another 7 pounds. Like, I didn't think that was gonna happen, but I don't know. Sometimes the sale is a double-edged sword where if I'm doing well throughout the week, then I feel like I can reward myself a little too early, where this week, because I wasn't watching it until the weekend, I didn't revert back to any bad habits or feel like I could take, you know, an extra cheat meal or an extra sweet or whatever the case may be here or there. So I'm happy to report that. I'm excited to report that. Like I said, next week we're going to change the format just a little bit. So please don't forget to like and subscribe so that you can be with us every week. We are going to be going into more detail with our workouts, talking about form, how important that is, as well as giving you guys those variations, continuing and showing you how you can continue to be successful in your workouts, even at home, whether or not your gym is open. And then we will have our tips and our meal preps and all of those amazing other things that come with a healthy fitness and lifestyle separate in that week's videos. So thank you guys as always for being here. I appreciate you, and we will see you next week. Bye-bye.